Hi, this is Shay with Truxas Sales here today, looking at this 2020 18-foot Ridge Lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. These beds are highly customizable, a lot of features on them. This one has a little taller than the standard sides, 60-inch sides instead of 48-inch. That's actually not an expensive option on this bed to go a little taller. It also has a secondary tailgate inside there, as you can see right there. Double tailgate for two different materials. Has the inside doghouse. You can pretty much go with several different doghouse options. You can see the hoist is inside, then we have one that's 50-50 and then one that's completely outside. This is just the standard hydraulic tank with steps on the side right there. This tarp system is also the standard tarp system. There are some dry tarp options as well. This is a combination high lift tailgate. So it's a high lift tailgate that also just does the swinging, regular swinging gate as well. Just has the basic light package, which would be two side lights, one in the front, one in the back of the box, and then two rear lights here, as well as the little triple lights right there. So that's just standard lights. Any kind of light option you can think of. Lights can even get put in the tailgate as well for an additional charge. So there's definitely a ton of options available with this bed. This is also the heavy duty apron where there's a pipe in the back. This hitch plate is an option. Later on, if you wanted to hitch, you could just bolt it right on there. Trench gate is nice too, so you don't have to climb in the bed to see what's in there. And there is that second tailgate again. So even though this looks like several other manufacturers' beds, there is definitely a huge difference here on the floor. There's no cross members, so this is just a hardened piece of steel. Right there, Hardox 3/16 Hardox 450 is the standard plate. That's where those latch mechanisms are, under that cover right there. But you don't have any mud getting stuck in there, so that is the actual floor of the bed right there. So lower center of gravity as well. But these walls are high tensile walls. If you did want a bed with the hardened steel walls, the load lane dump body would be the one to go with. This is just more like a low cost bed, good for just hauling a variety of materials. You can put concrete chunks in there, but you will get some side dimpling with this high tensile steel. If you have any questions about this bed or want to see more options, just check out some more of our videos and our dump body options page on our website at www.truxassales. Thank you for viewing, and give us a call with any questions.